Hi all. In this tutorial, you will understand the difference between single row functions and multiple row functions. Before coming to know about the differences, we will understand what are functions. A function is a predefined formula which takes one or two or more arguments as input, processes it, and returns an output. That means it will take some values, it will process those values, and it will return an output. The types of SQL functions are single row or scalar functions, or second category is multiple row or group or aggregate functions. What are single row functions? In the name itself, it is there. It works with a single row at a time. Single row functions works with a single row at a time. A single row function will return a result for every row of a query table. It will return the result for each and every row for the query table. Examples for single row functions are upper, sqrt, power, length, etc. When I say a function, this bracket is a mandatory one. Aggregate functions or multiple row functions or group function, they are the functions which will work with the data of multiple rows at a time and return an aggregated value. And mainly these are the aggregate functions: sum, min, max, average, and count. And this was the question asked for the CBSE sample paper for 3 marks for the academic year 2020-21. Difference between single row functions and multiple row functions with the suitable examples. Classification of single row function. Single row functions are further classified into 3 categories. They are numerical or mathematical functions, date and time functions, and string or character functions. Each functions we will be discussing in detail with practical examples in the coming section. Thank you all for watching the video. See you in the next section.